What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the set where I am your boy, Money Matt. Today, bruh, I must admit, I really slept. And I very rarely do that. I really did sleep on the Jot 3s, man. For whatever reason, it eluded me. And it could have quite possibly been because of my sneaker pause. But that's whatever. That's over with now. And I had the opportunity to pick up the Scratch 3.0s. And bruh, I must say that these are definitely it for me. Without further ado, man, you already know it. Let's get into it. I didn't know, bro. I promise. I did. Yeah. All right. Now that you know that I don't know, or I didn't know, and I'm late, but it's fine. The Jot 3s, bro, are some to be reckoned with, bro. And then this colorway right here, a lot of y'all don't really know, man. And you may see that Memphis Grizzly when they wear the throwback. No, bro. Vancouver Grizzlies, bro. That's why they call them Scratch 3.0. I'm just saying. Take it for what it's worth, bro. But I absolutely love this shoe, man. The level of detail on this shoe is absolutely bananas. Ja Morant has one of those signatures that is very minimal, but it's very noticeable when you... It's kind of contradictory, but you know what I mean. It's subtle, but it's also pronounced at the same time. And with this shoe, you would think that someone putting their logo all over a shoe would drive you absolutely nuts and it would look corny. Bro, again, I'm late. It's fine though. Every black panel on this shoe that has Ja Morant's signature logo on it. And it is tastefully done all the way up to the midsole and the outsole. Bruh, what kind of traction pattern foolishness is Nike cooking up in the lab, bruh, when they decided to skip a traction pattern that just, you know, is whatever, and just put Ja Morant's logo all over the bottom of the shoe. If you didn't know that this was a basketball shoe, you would probably think this traction pattern would scream something like, let's say, a hiking shoe, some Vibrams or something like that, right? Nah, bro. The traction pattern on this is absolutely ridiculous. I know because I had them on in the house, and let's just say the tile floors kind of caught me not slipping, just if you get what I mean. Yeah, I almost had a little trip, and I ain't talking about to the store either. But anyway, it's tastefully done all over this shoe, bro, and I absolutely love it. Now, you get some lace options with these. You get this color that comes in the shoe, right? But you also get, man, you get that red, bro. Come on, man. Ooh, let me know down in the comment section which one you like better. Me, you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rock both of them just cause I'm 45. I can give a fuck what anybody else think about what I do as a grown man. Sorry about the language, but I really don't. I'm here to live my life for me and my family, and I really don't care. They don't care, so guess what? I'm sorry. I'm digressing again, right? All right. I know, I got it, we good. Okay, anyway, bro, look at that. These shoes are absolutely crazy, man. And then you got the red hits on the back with 12. Bro, you can't tell me for the value proposition on these shoes, this isn't one of the best shoes of 2025. Not this colorway, well, probably, for me, this colorway is, yeah, it's up there. When I do my rankings at the end of the year, you best believe that the Jot 3 Scratch 3.0s is going to be in there. Why? Because I'm late. Comfort is king for me, bruh. This shoe has Zoom X technology all the way through to the forefoot of the shoe, bruh. You can't beat that. Well, I guess you could, but for a basketball shoe, you need that responsiveness, not the squishy feeling, and that's what you get in these. They're not squishy. The ZoomX technology is done perfect in these. Now, I had the Job ones, and I liked them a little bit. These knock it out of the park. They really stepped up their game with the Job 3.0s. And one of my friends hit me up and was like, they kind of remind me of Kyrie's, but they kind of remind me of Kobe's too. And they're right. They do have some semblance of that technology that they laced in with Kobe's and the Kyrie's when Kyrie was still with Nike. And I absolutely agree with that. But bro, they killing it. You got the swoosh that changes colors here. Bro, these are a hit for me. And I'm sorry that it took me so long to figure that out. These are clean, bro. I don't have anything else to say about these other than if you have not picked up a pair of the Ja 3s, you might want to do that. And now that they have the Ja 3 by me or by you on Nike, bro, you can really get nasty with the customizations on these because they sold out the first time. Right now, as of the recording this video, they are not sold out again. They popped up again this weekend. I have ordered a pair and yeah, I can't wait for them to come in, bro. These are my new dailies. These, my friends, are my new daily sneaker. And these are kind of like the Sabrinas last year. Those were they wasn't a daily, but they were stupid comfortable. And these are in that same ballpark, but I really love the style of these. I had to go up a size, so tread lightly. If you are going to hoop in these, I wouldn't say go true to size. I'm normally a 12 and 97% of my shoes are a size 12. On the rare occasion, I have to go up to a half size or a whole size. And these I had to go up to a whole size. So, tread lightly when you do that. So, I mean, they're everywhere. Go into the store, try them on, bro. You will not be disappointed with these. It ain't a lot to say about this shoe, man. The design, awesome. The colorway, awesome. The level of detail, awesome. Bruh, the price is awesome. And if you somebody like me, I paid less than $100 for these. I had some FLX points, redeemed, military discount, redeemed, walked out of the store paying $84 for the Scratch 3.0s. Bro, on what earth is that not a good deal? That was a freaking amazing deal. So all those things encompassed in one, bro. This has to be the perfect shoe for me for 2025. It's economical because we all know there's a lot of people out here not getting paid. The design, the style, the versatility, because you can wear these as a daily and you can hoop in them for which they were made for. You can't go wrong with that, bro. And for all the ones who do have them already, bro, why y'all ain't tell me, man? Why? I'm about to start a Discord. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start a Discord because I'd be late. And cause I was on the sneaker pause and I'm digressing in this video. You don't want to hear all that shit. You want to see this B-roll. Yeah. For all you young whippersnappers, bro, Vancouver Grizzly colorway. That's all you need to know. All right. I'm your boy Money Man, folks. I'm gonna get on out of here and go do something important with the rest of my day, as you should as well. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, as it helps the channel and helps me get back into the algorithm, because ever since my channel got hacked, bro, it don't matter what I put up. YouTube ain't throwing your boy in the algorithm. So please hit that like and subscribe button, bro, to let YouTube know that we still alive and we making content that is actually made by me here on the set. But I do appreciate you watching. We will catch you in the next one. I bid you folks adieu. Bruh, these shits is clean. They are stupid clean. This is probably gonna be my thumbnail right here. Just like this. I'm out, folks. You folks have a good one. Peace.